welcome back to the channel. In today's video, and I won't waste no time because I can't be doing with these people who talk for 5 hours before they even start doing anything. Anyway, I'm going to be fitting these today, some new drop links. I got these off eBay from Import Car Parts. They're OEM equivalent and I paid £23.95. Fucking hell, look at my double chin. I need to lose some weight, I do. I've got a bit of a knocking at the rear, which it sounds a bit like a drop link, but to be honest, I think it's the strut that needs replaced. Now, I did change the front ones about 3 months ago, and I got OEM for those ones as well, and they seem okay. Now, I would have gone for a more expensive one on that one, but I actually only paid £12 for those ones. I got them on discount, and to be honest, I just thought for the sake of 20 quid, it at least narrows down the issue at the rear. As far as how easy it's going to be, probably quite easy to be honest, but I do have a feeling the bolts are going to be an absolute nightmare to get off because I've got no blowtorch, not mentioning who wouldn't let me borrow theirs or couldn't be bothered to borrow me theirs, but there we go. So hopefully I can get it off by hand. You can't see anything, this is typical. Now you can. So as you can see, I mean, it doesn't actually look that bad on camera, but they're not supposed to move. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but the car has spent a good amount of its life. Does that look bent? Oh god, my neck. Oh fuck, my neck. I've got cramp. Shit. I've got cramp in my neck. I can't move. You see that? The bit with a tiny bit of a wet patch. Look at that one. And then look at this one. Is it me or is it bent? Anyway. Yeah, I don't know if I've mentioned before, but the car has spent a good amount of its life in Blackpool, which will explain the rust. So I'm going to have 5 minutes because I've already done a ton of work right there. Finish my coffee and then carry on. Maybe Dan will be here by then, and then I'll say, yeah, you've got to do it, and I'll record. Yeah, so basically you're going to twist this while holding this, which is extremely difficult while the car's on the ground. However, I have established why the rear end is so loose. Now, I don't know if I can do it, but if you look at the sway bar, I don't know if you can see that, but it's right wobbly, and it's coming from that drop link. However, the bracket that's bolted to the actual car looks knackered, so I think that's also needs replaced. But that drop link is the culprit to my knocking, 100%. Well, actually I'm not too sure because it could actually be the strut as well, but this definitely isn't helping my handling, and it has been sluggish as of late. I mean, really, the whole underneath needs rebuilt. The engine's sweet. You ready then? No. Got to hold your safety glasses. Only took you 4 hours to get here. I was here at the crack of dawn. What time is it? It's 20 to 10. I started at 7. I was up at 5. Are you ready then? Yeah, so we're doing these drop links. Oh, I've already loosened them. So you're doing these drop links? Yeah, you're doing them, I'll record. So these are the new ones. Yeah, I'll probably show them maybe. Yeah, let's crack on with these drop links. So we naturally work on the proper car. Well, come on then. And we've got some more exciting news coming later. What's that? For the other thing. You know, the thing with 4 wheels. Oh, yes. Yeah. More on that later. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Oh, come on. Come on. You're doing it. When he talks, but I'm not doing it. I've followed every safety procedure there is. Yeah. There's Ross bucket. What are you doing? I'm just reviewing my life before I die. Well, you go under and I'll get under. Why? But if we both die, there's no point, is it? That's true. I need to get the footage. All right, crack on. Crack on then. Go on then. Which way? Left no idea. We'll have to find out. I can't remember now. You'll know. When it lands on the head. Yeah, it might drop, to be fair. Great. My neck hurts. My back hurts. all this rust is going in my hair. No, I just washed my hair earlier.
Well, I'll have to wash it again.
I only go in once a week.
I'll have to get a shower cap. I've got a shark one.
Why am I doing your car anyway? You do have the other bolts, don't you?
What are the bolts?
Lost the bolt.
Well, you best find it.
No, I don't think you need it.
We need a hammer. There's a mallet.
A mallet?
Yeah.
I'll get the axe, shall I? I'll hack the drop leads off.
That'll work.
Moment of truth. What's that dangling bit?
Headlight sensor.
Oh, is that on here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're doing this because your bolts not arrived yet, haven't they?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, yeah.
So you've ordered new bolts, not here, you just want them on.
Yeah, I recommend buying new bolts, yeah.
Yeah, new bolt.
Look how bad it is. But yeah, I recommend buying bolts.
Yeah. So as it's an easy job, they can come back off and...
Well, it's all getting replaced anyway. Now, I mean, looking at that, like, it makes you worry, don't it?
A little bit.
Like, if you think this was on the car, you've got to wonder what the hell else is as bad as that. You've got the engine shakes like mad. I mean, I've got a lot of power, at least 500 brake.
And it's falling to bits.
That's what we put as the title, Project Rust Bucket Continues.
So it's Project Rust Bucket now.
Well, it's Mona Lisa, but it's one of a kind because it's that rusted. Stop, no, you gotta go back.
Stop.
I'm getting cold down here.
Is that there?
Yeah, perfect.
Lost bolt. Got some rust in my eyeballs.
Thread lock.
Where's thread lock?
Don't know, in garage.
Bloody hell. No wonder that was done.
Oh, hurry up then. Run. Just plod along then.
The long way, there's like it's a driveway. I can't go over the mountain, can I?
Good old thread lock. It's not coming out.
Yeah, it's locked up.
Right, turd.
Yeah, all my fault, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at those California skies.
Don't come out.
There.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, great. Just waste it.
Oh, well, then I have to do this one.
You know what we need?
Small loan of $1 million.
I like.
That and a drill. Be all day at this rate.
Chew. Oh, get this. I've been here since 7. I'm all prepared for nothing. I think you need a new anti-roll bar.
What's that?
Rusted, like the rest of the car. Oh, I'll change my mind. You need a new car because it's all rusted.
Wait till it's finished.
Yeah, wait till it's finished rusted.
This will be the cleanest Hawkeye in the country.
Yeah, you just have some headlights on the floor.
Yeah, watch it. I'm underneath.
Don't worry, you got plenty of padding.
Yeah, so next job is some pairing drop links, white line sway bar, white line bushings and brackets. Just look at it. Look at the flex in that. That's insane. This is where you do the cross member bushings right here. They're a pain in the arse to do there. And look at those bolts, they look crap. Look at that one, look, that bolt's ain't even come out. I'm dead, I am. Should I call it a day? I think we've done enough work.
So that's it.
Yeah, now I'm going to take that for a spin.
Once the new bolts arrive.
Yeah, we're done. Postman saying, what the hell are they doing? What are we on about?
Yeah, you'll take it for a spin once the bolt.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely won't drive it without the new bolts. You're how boring you are, aren't you? Like, can you not think how crazy it is? Like, how exciting is that? That was absolutely knackered, and we just replaced that.
Yeah.
Where's your enthusiasm?
Well,
it's like, oh my god, look at that, you know.
I don't even drive it, so what am I bothered for? I don't know why it even helped.
Alright, then I'll just sit here and watch, shall I, while you do the fuel pump?
The difference is you drive that all the time.
Rubbish,
Because you prefer it, you've admitted it.
This is the coolest car on the channel, I'll admit it. But yeah, I guess that's the end.
So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, don't bother, yeah.
Yeah, don't bother.
I stand still stepping on the shady street and I watch that man to a stranger. Think you only know me when you turn on the light, now the road.
I'm kind of retarded.